of which is the 16 billion connection in the country.
Depende ho yan sa nagiging
This
desisyon
was
ng
complemented by the inspiring stories of those who implemented and benefited
there was a
from
time
the
na tumaas
rural
talaga yung
electrification.
Meralco rate dahil pass-through ho kasi yung mga charges, especially doon sa fuel. May mga kontrata na sa fuel. Pag may sumasabay ng increase, yung rate, yung rate din ng generation cost. And there are also a portion of the capacity of Meralco
before we dive into the celebrations,
na-expose din sa WESM.
I ask you to
so,
take a moment
yung WESM kasi hindi
to
naman
look around.
fixed na, di ba?
Look around.
Taas pa ba yung
faces you see today,
yung presyo. So kung anong mabibili nila, kung anong presyo,
our dedicated frontliners
sa consumers.
remain
Pero may
steadfast in
parating
their
kong
goals.
kontrata si
Together with
Meralco
trailblazers who paved the way
mababa
before us
yung
are the
cost.
true reason we have achieved 55 remarkable years
yun makakatulong sa
bringing reliable and sustainable energy
they're conscious naman sa
to every rural home
so
we have reached.
At may reset pa ang Meralco.
As we reflect on 55 years of unwavering dedication, you will see a common thread
and
that
hopefully
lives through every
yung mix ng lahat ng kontrata na in-undertake ni Meralco.
It is the shared vision that has driven us
not
not only light up communities, but also to ignite boundless opportunities,
given na kasi
foster
binabati ko sa
innovation,
ERC ng ating
and
mga
forge a
consumers.
brighter
Ano pong
future for
pwede nyo sabihin
every
sa kanila?
naintindihan
This
natin.
tireless
Pati ho
quest to
nagtrabaho
bring
natin
light
ang
into the lives and hope
pero
into the hearts of our rural
to do
folks
our job.
is the
And
essence
we need to
of the
find out
National
also if
Electrification
these rates are correct.
Administration.
Yun po
And it
nagiging
is
trabaho
what
ng
has
ERC. Kasi
sustained
yung
us
core function ng ERC,
every year,
rate setting. Pero
every challenge,
natin at
and every trial.
Yun ho yung pinakamahirap.
To the employees of the electric cooperatives,
and also the
I cannot thank you enough for your unwavering dedication to our cause.
Itong
Please
may
know
obligasyon para sa least cost
that you are crucial
ng
to
power
our
na kay
success.
Meralco. So ang trabaho ni ERC,
Your tireless efforts and sacrifices
tama ba ang ginagawa ni
do not
Meralco
go
sa
unnoticed.
pag-procure
And
ng power?
today,
Tama ba yung
we honor and
CSP
celebrate
o bidding na
each
kinamdam
one of
nila?
you.
Kung tama naman,
Your
sa tingin
firm
namin
commitment
yung rates ay tama, mababa.
lights up not just rural homes, but the very future of our nation. Similarly, I extend my sincerest thanks to our various partners in the government and private sectors. NEA can continue its noble mission because of your support.
Sana ho
To our NEA
yung mga succeeding na
officials and employees,
or bids or rates na
led by our resolute administrator Nani Almeda,
competitive.
please take heart that there are truly heavenly proportions to the toil that we do
hindi
on
malaking
this side of rural electrification.
Anyway, ngayon po ang
And in so
55th anniversary po
our move to
ng NEA.
entrust
Do you have any message
every
sa
outcome to a
NEA
higher purpose,
administration and then sa
so that
lahat
we may
ng
witness,
electric cooperative sa buong bansa?
although gradually, the
Well,
fulfillment
NEA
of
and the
our
electric
mandate
cooperatives
to bring life
are
to every
in good
rural
hands
home.
through NEA admin Nani Almeda.
While we have
Very good
achieved
friend.
many
And
milestones,
we have seen,
we
we have
recognize that much
and
remains to be
witness the
done.
milestones being
As we set targets,
being achieved by
it is important
by
to
NEA.
remember
That's why
the real
full support
impact
po kami
behind
sa
these figures.
ERC kay NEA at sa lahat po ng mga
Admittedly, there are still people
and hopefully before
who live
tayo
without
bumaba sa pwesto
access
next
to
year ay
reliable
may
electricity,
magagawa tayong mabuti
affecting their
or
ability
may mas
to
magagawa
effectively
pang
participate
mabuti
in
para sa
society.
mga electric cooperatives.
Therefore,